My name is Angelos and Apeitos. I am the Cochran Marine Aquaculture Center Hatchery Manager, and my focus is marine finfish aquaculture.
My name is Megan Gima, and I am the Oyster Hatchery Manager for USM's Cochran Marine Aquaculture Center.
What we do here is answer questions that the industry has to help them overcome bottlenecks and help them grow as an industry. We do research to answer some broad spectrum questions. How can we grow more fish? How can we grow more fish in a more sustainable fashion?
With the Oyster program, we are trying to alleviate the bottlenecks that the industry are seeing. In recent years, due to poor water quality, we have lost a very large percent of our oyster reefs. And so what we're losing is our filter feeders. We really need to get those populations back for the environment, but then also because of the huge economic impact that it provides for our coast.
At the end of the day, you're growing an organism for a purpose. More than often, the purpose here is restoration, but we do grow the organism that you can grow beyond the point of restoration for consumption. There is a finite amount of ocean that we can harvest from, and without the science of aquaculture, we won't be able to supply the healthy protein that the community needs for healthy nutrition.
One of the things that I really like, that even though we're doing the research, we're helping the industry with this increase of off-bottom aquaculture. We're putting a lot of oysters out in the water, and each oyster can filter 50 gallons of water per day. And so a lot of farms have millions of oysters on their plots. And so if you multiply that 50 gallons times a million, we're doing a lot to clean up the water that we're seeing just here near shore that we get to play in, swim in, go boating in every day.
We try to also involve the community, whether they are already aquaculturists, or we work with the high schools, training them and trying to make sure the next generation understands what aquaculture is, and making sure that the smartest and the brightest in our state stay within our state.